Good day. My name is Jasper Jan A. Mangonan, and today I invite you to explore a thought provoking question. Imagine waking up in the Philippines where Jose Rizal is no longer relevant. His teaching, his sacrifice, his words, and all considered unnecessary. Would be better off? Or would we lose a crucial part of our national identity? Today, I invite you to challenge the idea posed by Historia Renato Constantino. It is our task to make Rizal obsolete. Rizal cannot and should not be made obsolete because his ideals remain relevant in addressing modern day struggles for justice, education, and national consciousness. Rather than disregarding his influence, we should involve his teaching to fit contemporary realities. Rizal fought for education, believing it to be the key of for national progress. Today, we will still struggle with education inequalities and access to quality learning. Can we afford to render obsolete the man who emphasized its importance? He advocated for peaceful reform and social awareness in an era of political misinformation and civic apathy. Should we abandon his wisdom or use it to awaken a new generation? Nations that forget their heroes risk losing their identity. Rizal's life serves as a minor reflecting both our achievements and unfinished battle we still face. The fight against oppressions, corruptions, and social injustice continues. If we make Rizal obsolete, who do we replace him with? And how are we going to avoid in historical consciousness? Rather than erasing Rizal, we should reinterpret his works to address contemporary struggles. His ideas should serve as a foundation for modern activism, encouraging critical thinking and national pride and innovation. So for this video, can we make Rizal obsolete? Obviously, no, and we should not. Instead of viewing him as a relic of the past, we must see him as a guiding force continually shaping the present and inspiring the future. Rizal once said, ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa paroroonan. Let's not just look back at Rizal. Let's move forward with him.